Okay, today we're going to do a 2-point perspective landscape. We're going to put a fairly high horizon line, fairly high, probably about 2/3 of the way up the page. God, that's not straight. I'll have to do though. Okay, vanishing point on either side because it's 2-point perspective. Okay, and I'm going to start off by doing a building in the middle. So I'm just going to do 5 centimeter line in the middle of that, and I'm going to go there, the bottom and top of each end of that vertical line to each of the vanishing points. Okay, you've done this before, each of the vanishing points. Okay, I'm now going to make a decision as to where that front of that building is going to be. So it's going to be here, or the side of the building is going to be, and it's going to be here. Remember, they're parallel with the front. Okay, and then I'm going to go across like this and across like that. Okay, that gives me the first of my blocks. Now I'm going to keep this bottom line, but I'm going to get rid of these 2 top ones. Okay, use a different rubber, I think, or eraser. So you get rid of these 2 top lines, and the reason you do that is because you need this bottom line to help direct where your next line is going to be. So the next line I'm going to do is going to be there. Okay, doesn't matter how long, it's a little bit longer than the other one, and the next one is going to be there. So I'm going to do 2 buildings using the vanishing point. Okay, so first on this side, I'm not going all the way to the end because I know where it is. Do not forget this bottom one. Everyone seems to forget this bottom one here. It goes behind that building there. Okay, and then you go across here, vanishing. Don't have to do this bottom one, but you can do a little bit because you want to know how wide it's going to be. And then I'm going to do another vertical line that runs parallel with this, and then I'm going to do one that sits behind the building there, and then I'm going to go across like that and like that. You see, as it gets closer to the horizon line, you see less of the roof, more of the roof down here, and less of the roof up here. Same on the other side. Vanishing point, keeps quite sharp. Vanishing point. This one. Vanishing point, and then at the bottom here. Vanishing point, and then I'm going to put a little mark. Make sure it's parallel with that one. There, and then behind that one. There, making sure it's parallel. Like that. Like that, you see, shallow roof, slightly more depth in the roof. Okay, so now again, I'm going to take off, I'm going to use this, I'm going to take off the top lines here, take off the top lines there, and then I'm going to do some more. Okay, I'm going to do a couple more. These ones are actually going to go above the horizon line. Above the horizon line. Okay, so this one is going to go like that. Don't have to do that one. But this one's going to come down towards there, and this one's going to go across towards that vanishing point over there. Just a little bit. I don't have to do the whole thing. And then I can make a decision. I want the end of the building there, which is parallel with this. I want the end of the building there, which is parallel with that central line as well. Okay, I've got that. I've got that. Okay, and now I'm going to erase this top line here above the horizon line, and I'm going to do the same on this side. Like that. And up. And then I'm going to do this, the vertical there, parallel with this one. Vertical there, parallel with that one. I'm going to erase that line there. I'm also going to erase the horizon line that runs through the buildings. Okay, so you've got 4 cuboid shapes sitting in a landscape. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here like that. I come down here, oh, following that line, like that, and this line coming down here, like that, and then this one, like that. Okay, so this is going to give you your area where you're going to have this road coming in. Okay, it's going to be a crossroad type thing, because that one comes that way, that one comes that way. Okay, so we can erase these lines. Okay, and then I'm going to give a pavement to the front bit. Right there, comes down to the front, in front of there, and then like that. Okay, and then I'm going to come vertically down, and this is going to give that sense of a step that you have. Okay, so that's going to give the step, a sense of the step. I'm going to do the same here, but I'm going to do vertically from there, and then just go like this, because I don't want it stepping in too far, and then vertically here, and then parallel and coming down from that vanishing point there, like I did with the other one, like that. So you've got a road type section here, and you've got step, step, step. Okay, now just a quickly bit of windows. So very simple. I'm going to start with 2 vertical lines there, and 2 vertical lines here, and I'm going to join top and bottom within the building to the vanishing point. Okay, to the vanishing point. Now you can do separate windows, you can do multiple windows, but remember they have to be going towards the vanishing point. That needs to be parallel with that. I'll do the same on this side. And I'm going to do a slightly smaller one here because I want to put a door in. So I'm going to go there, always to the vanishing point. Okay, always to the vanishing point, like that. And then I'm going to do a line here, vanishing point here. Now if I want to go inside this building, I need to go towards that vanishing point on that side. That looks like you step into that building. Okay. Last thing I'm going to do just quickly on this is I'm going to do some taller buildings. So let's say I have a few lines going up like this. Okay, they are going to go towards the vanishing point, towards the vanishing point, towards the vanishing point, towards the vanishing point. I'm going to start with that central one. I'm going to make it, this big. Vertical with that, parallel with that, I mean. Parallel with that, okay. And then this one will end there, parallel with that one. And then this one here, come down there, there, and it's going to end there, parallel with that one. Okay, and then I might do a nice big one just here, making it nice and large. Vanishing point. This is really, these ones above the horizon are really easy that go behind these because you can't see the bottom of them, so you only have to do the top orthogonals. Okay, so you now have a basic 2-point perspective cityscape landscape. Okay, I'd like you to give that a go, please. Thank you.